On today's episode of Live Lean TV, I'm sharing how to make your own homemade DIY electrolyte powder, alkaline water, and mineral water recipes. So a few weeks ago, I shared a video comparing the benefits of buying electrolyte water versus alkaline water versus mineral water versus regular water. So today, I want to show you how to make these enhanced waters at home. And to save you time, I've included timestamps to all the recipes in the video description below. So want a cheaper way to add electrolytes to your water? Here's how to make electrolyte water for the gym in a water bottle. This simple and effective 30-day homemade DIY electrolyte water recipe is ideal for balanced hydration and replenishing essential electrolytes during sweaty workouts or fasting for 16 hours or more a day. To save time, make a 30-day supply of the electrolyte powder blend by adding 7.5 teaspoons of sea salt or Himalayan pink salt, 2 teaspoons of potassium chloride, 2.5 teaspoons of magnesium malate, and an optional 3 teaspoons of calcium citrate to a resealable bowl. Add the lid to the bowl and shake to mix thoroughly. To get a single serving, add just under a half a teaspoon of the electrolyte powder to 16 to 32 ounce jug of water. To add flavor, add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. For more sweetness, add a few drops of liquid stevia to taste. Add the top to your water bottle and shake it up. Sip before, during, and after your workout or fasting period. This 30-day homemade DIY electrolyte recipe contains an optimal electrolyte dose per serving of 500 milligrams of sodium, 170 milligrams of potassium, 50 milligrams of magnesium, and 50 milligrams of calcium. I've included Amazon affiliate links to the individual supplements in the description below. So want to make alkaline water at home without an alkaline water filter purifier machine system or those expensive alkaline water bottles that add minerals? Follow this simple DIY alkaline water recipe to increase the pH of your water at home. Instructions: pour 1 liter of filtered water into a water jug. Add 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda and stir until fully dissolved, and enjoy. No need for expensive alkaline water machines or alkaline water bottles with built-in filters to add minerals. So while the exact pH increase will vary depending on water quality, this recipe typically raises the pH to a slightly alkaline level around 8.0 to 9.0. And if you have pH test strips, you can test the water to check the pH. I performed a pH test on my Aquasana under sink filtration water system, and it showed a neutral pH between 6 and 7. Then after adding 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, it raised the pH between 8 and 9. You can also adjust the amount of baking soda slightly up to 1/4 teaspoon if you want a higher pH, but it's recommended to not exceed 1/4 teaspoon per liter to avoid overly alkalizing the water. Store this homemade alkaline water in a clean, sealed bottle or container in the refrigerator to keep it fresh, then consume within a day or two. Want to make mineral water at home without an expensive mineral water machine? Try this homemade DIY mineral water recipe that adds essential minerals like sodium, magnesium, and calcium, which are found in natural mineral water. Instructions: start with 1 liter of filtered or distilled water in a clean bottle or pitcher. Add 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1/8 teaspoon of potassium chloride powder. Add 1/8 teaspoon of magnesium malate powder. Add 1/8 teaspoon of calcium citrate powder. And stir until all the minerals are dissolved. To make it sparkling, add a splash of carbonated water or use a home carbonation system like a SodaStream. This recipe adds essential minerals like sodium bicarbonate, magnesium, and calcium, which are found in natural mineral water. Question of the day: let me know in the comments. Do you typically drink regular water, electrolyte water, alkaline water, or mineral water? And which brand of each do you drink most? And if you found this video helpful, tap the like button below and subscribe to our Live Lean TV YouTube channel for more health and fitness tips. So now I want you to go check out this post where I compared the benefits of electrolyte water versus alkaline water versus mineral water versus regular water. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.